Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today I'm gonna test my brand new cranked or hand operated air raid siren. So you can see here, basically this is a siren. It has rotors in here that spins when I start rotating this handle like that, and that's sound. And then passes through these holes, creating some airflow that is rapidly to produce some vibrating sound wave. That's how these sirens make the loud sound you hear. But before the test, I am gonna use my megaphone to announce that this is only a test, so nobody that may hear the siren. Let's do it now.
Detta är ett test av en försvarssiren. Detta är bara ett test.
Alright. I'm gonna have my decibel meter next to my phone too. I'm just putting the megaphone down. I'm gonna place the decibel meter next to my phone. I'm gonna grab the siren, go in, sound it. So let's do it. Whoa, it reached 80.4 decibels. That is really loud. I don't know the range of this thing, since the site where I got it from, Swedish, Bindic, it didn't say the range of the siren, but let's do a volume test here now. There you heard the deep tone. Let's do a full blast. That is loud. Loud. Let's do another video.